I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word tip. A footnote is...
Oh, that's hilarious.
Well, thank you, and it's appropriate. Footnotes appear in a document at the bottom of the page. In Microsoft Word, this footnote area is inside the page margins and above any footer set in the document. Large amounts of footnotes push up the text. Well, in this universe. In other universes, more footnotes make a page physically longer. Officially, a footnote is a citation, commenting or referencing text above it on the page. It's used in scholarly works to cite attributions, in which case it takes on the role of a bibliography. A footnote serves the same purpose as an endnote, with the difference being placement, at the bottom of the page or at the end of the document. To add a footnote in Word, set the cursor where you want the note to appear as a reference. It can go anywhere in the text, though the recommendation is to set a footnote at the end of a sentence. Click the mouse after the period or whatever punctuation terminates the sentence. Click the References tab. In the footnote group, click the big Insert Footnote button. You're thrust to the bottom of the current page, where a consecutive number is applied, 1 in this case for the first footnote. And you can type away. Haha, made you look. By the way, the footnote is written in the footnote text style. Now that I'm done, I can scroll up to see the related footnote superscript right here.
Those tiny numbers must be tough to change when you move things around.
Well, no, not at all. That's because Word manages the footnote numbers for you, each footnote relative to its sequence on the page. Add another footnote up here, and the numbering changes. Even if you cut and paste with a footnote, the number changes to match the order. So please don't otherwise edit the itty-bitty wee tiny numbers. What, you're unhappy?
My friend Drusilla uses letters instead of numbers.
Well, then she knows the secret to changing the attributes, which I'm happy to show you. Click the dialog box launcher in the lower right corner of the Footnotes group. In the Footnote and EndNote dialog box, you can change various attributes as shown by these delightful gizmos. For example, if you'd rather use letters instead of numbers like your friend Drusilla, choose this item from the Number Format menu. Choose a new footnote starting number or letter if you like here. And that's enough messing around.
Golly, thanks, Dr. Word.
Certainly.
What about endnotes?
Well, endnotes are similar to footnotes, save for their location, and I cover them in another Word tip video, along with a method for converting between endnotes and footnotes.
I can wait.
Don't miss a thrill-packed minute here on your Word Tips videos. Oh, and I have books, too.